Hello students, in this video we will continue from our previous video in solving more problems on factor theorem. So once again, just the question is a little bit changed in this one. It says use the factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. So last in the previous video we had checked there was the g of x was common to the all the questions, only the p of x was changing. In this under this question we will have different g of x and a different p of x each time we solve a problem. So let's see what is the first question under this main question. First question says p of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 1. So if g of x or you can say for g of x to be a factor of p of x, it is sufficient to show that p of minus 1 is equal to 0, because this g of x is equal to x plus 1. So when x plus 1 equal to 0, if you put, that means g of x equal to 0, we get x equal to minus 1, just like in the previous case. So we need to find p of minus 1. What is the value of that polynomial at x equal to minus 1? So at p of minus 1 we take equal to 2 into minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. 2 into minus 1 whole cube gives us minus 1, so minus 2, because minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, plus minus 1 whole square gives us positive 1 here, and minus 2 into minus 1 will give us positive 2, and this is minus 1. So minus 2 plus 2 0 plus 1 minus 1 0. So this comes to 0. That means p of minus 1 is actually equal to 0. So this implies that the fact g of x is a factor of p of x. Okay, because we've got p of minus 1 equal to 0. Got it? So let's go to the second problem. The next problem says p of x equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and g of x is x plus 2. So for g of x to be a factor of p of x, it is sufficient to show that p of minus 2 is equal to 0, because here we have g of x equal to x plus 2, which means if we take x plus 2 equal to 0, we'll get x equal to minus 2. So this way, x plus 2 equal to 0, x will get equal to minus 2. Now minus 2 will substitute in place of x for this polynomial, and let's see what we get. So p of minus 2 equal to minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 whole cube becomes minus 8. Minus 2 whole square becomes plus 4. Plus 4 into 3 gives us plus 12. Plus 3 into minus 2 gives us minus 6 and plus 1. Let's see how much. Minus 8 plus 12 gives us plus 4. Plus 4 minus 6 gives us minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 gives us minus 1. So this shows that, this implies that p of minus 2 is not equal to 0. So this tells you that g of x is not a factor of p of x. Okay, so here we did not get it equal to 0, hence g of x is not a factor of p of x. Okay, let's go to the next problem. The problem says p of x equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 and g of x is equal to x minus 3. So we say for g of x to be a factor of p of x, it is sufficient to show that uh, p of plus 3 is equal to 0. So here it is x minus 3. So if we take x minus 3 equal to 0, we get x equal to 3. This 3 we need to substitute in the polynomial and we need to get equal to 0. Only then we can say that this g of x is a factor of p of x. So we'll see what is p of 3 equal to. So 3 cube plus minus, sorry, it is minus 4 into 3 whole square plus 3 plus 6. 3 raised to cube comes to 27, okay, and minus 3 whole square is 9. 9 into 4 is 36. So minus 36 plus 3 plus 6. So 27 minus 36 comes to minus 9. Minus 9 and plus 9 comes to 0. So we can say p of 3, okay, or rather directly we can say, since p of 3 is equal to 0, we can say this implies that g of x is a factor of p of x. Okay, so in this case we found that the value of the polynomial at x equal to 3 comes to 0, and hence the conclusion that g of x is a factor of p of x. So this were some additional problems in addition to the problems that we solved in the previous video. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button. Do not forget to share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the video if you haven't done so, and click on the bell icon to get notified when a new video is posted. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.